Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 9 based on arithmetic progression. So let us start with the question number 1. Determine k so that k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are 3 consecutive terms of an AP. So 3 consecutive terms of an AP. So we have to just find out the value of k. So we know that 3 consecutive terms of an AP, when they are given for us, we know the condition for the common difference, that is a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. So this value is the first term, second term and third term. 3 terms are given for you. So we can directly substitute here. So 4k minus 6 minus of k plus 2 is equal to a3, that is 3k minus 2 minus of 4k minus 6. Here 4k minus 6 is minus k minus 2 is equal to 3k minus 2 minus 4k plus 6. Here 3k minus 8 is equal to minus k minus 2 plus 6. So minus 2 plus 6 plus 4. So here the next step, when you come to the next step in this, minus k comes to here will become plus k, that is 4k is equal to minus 8 goes to that side, 4 plus 8 is 12. So k value will be 3. This is the value of k. Now coming to the next question. Next question. Is minus 150 a term of 11852? Okay, or why? So now when you come to the solution for this, let us first check whether it is given series in the AP or not. So if you observe properly, first term is 11, second term is 8. So common difference, that is a2 minus a1 is equal to 8 minus 11, that equal to minus 3. Similarly, a3 minus a2 will be equal to 5 minus 8, that is minus 3. Similarly, a4 minus a3 is equal to 2 minus 5, that is also minus 3. So if you observe properly, you can see that since the common difference is same, therefore the given series is in AP. Therefore this 11, 8, 5, 2 so on is in AP. Now when AP is there, so you got it, A value as 11 and D value is nothing but minus 3. Now is minus 150 a term of this. So how to identify? Let us take this n as minus 150. So nth term, let us take this nth term as minus 150. So that means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 150. Let us check this one here. So 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150. So here 11 minus 3n minus 1 into minus 3 will be plus 3 is equal to minus 150. So 11 plus 3 is 14 when goes to that side. So what I am left with here, minus 3n is equal to minus 150 plus 14 goes to that side becomes minus 14. So minus 150 minus 14 minus 164. So from here n value will be 164 by 3. So n is a count, that is a number. So okay, so that will be generally belonging to the natural numbers part. But 164 by this is a fraction which does not belongs to natural numbers. So therefore minus 150 is not a term of the given series. Now coming to the next, that is question number 3. What is this question number 3 here? If the 9th term of an AP is 99 and the 99th term is 9, find 108 term. So what is the given terms? What are the given terms in this? Let us have a look onto this correctly. 9th term is 99. So A9 is equal to 99. We know this an, nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. According to that, A9 will be equal to a plus 8d. Therefore a plus 8d is equal to 99. Let us name this as equation number 1. Now next, what is given for the further case? 99th term is 9 again. That means A99 is also given for you as 9. So what is the value? What is the term of A99? A99 is equal to A plus 98D. So from the according to the given question part, A plus 98D is equal to 9. Name this as second equation. Now what I will do, subtract these two equations. When I subtract these two equations, 1 minus 2. So A and A gets cancelled. AD, so right here, A plus AD is equal to 99, and next below that A plus 98D is equal to 9. When you are subtracting them, these two gets cancelled. 8D minus 98D is minus 90. 8D minus 98D will give you 898, okay, minus 90D is equal to 99 minus 9 will give you 90. Okay, so now from here D will be equal to minus 1. Now you got the value of D as minus 1. Now substitute the value of D as minus 1 in any one equation to get the value of A. So let me substitute the value of D as minus 1 in equation number 1. When I substitute in minus 1 in the equation number 1, what I will get? A plus 8 into minus 1 is equal to 99. So A is equal to 99 minus 8 goes to that side, becomes plus 8 will be equal to 107. Now you even got the value of A also. Now what is the question asked? You have to find out the 108th term. So how to find out 108th term? A 108 is equal to A plus 108 minus 1 into D, that is 107D. What is A value? 107 plus 107 into D value is minus 1. So it will be 107 minus 107. Both gets cancelled, that equal to 0. Therefore the value of 108th term is 0. Now come to the next question. What is that? If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? So what is the question given for us here? It is clearly given that third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8. Third term. So A3 is equal to 4. What is the formula for A3? Is nothing but A plus 2D. Therefore A plus 2D is equal to 4. Let us name this as equation number 1. Next, ninth term of an AP is minus 8. So what is this? Ninth term means A9 is equal to minus 8. How can you write this A9 as? A9 is nothing but A plus 8D. So A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Second equation. Now what you have to do here, let us calculate these two. From these two equations, let us find out the values of A and D. So from here, equation 1 minus equation 2, subtract these two equations. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Subtract these equations here. These two gets cancelled. Here it will be 2D minus 8D will be minus 6D is equal to minus 8. This becomes plus 8 here. Right? 8 plus 4. So plus 8 and plus 4 will be 12. So from this case, D is equal to 12 by 6, that is minus 6, that is nothing but minus 2. So D value is minus 2. Now substitute the value of D, that is minus 2, in any equation to get the value of A. Substitute in first equation. So when you substitute in first equation, A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. So when you substitute here, A plus A minus 4, okay. A is equal to, directly we will take minus 4, when goes to that side becomes plus 4. So 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. So even A value you got it. Now which term of AP is 0? We have to find out which term. So therefore what I will do, let us suppose that nth term is 0. Okay, we will take, let us suppose that nth term is 0. We have to find out the value of n. We know nth term formula, that is A plus n minus 1 into D, take it equal to 0. So what is A? A is 8. 8 plus n minus 1 into, what is D value you got it? Minus 2 equal to 0. So it is 8 minus 2n, minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 0. So it is 2n, minus 2n goes to that side becomes plus 2n is equal to 10. From here n value is 5. Therefore fifth term of this AP series will be 0. If you check out properly, these are the equation 1 and 2 simplification part. Okay, this is one of the very much important question. Okay, thank you.